So hello guys, I am Neil De Silva and I am here today on Writer's Melon to talk about my new book, Yakshini. So Yakshini is a recent release. It's a supernatural horror fantasy, and it talks about and it is a story of a girl named Meenakshi who grows up in a Maharashtrian village. She realizes on the way that she has the spirit of a Yakshini within her. Yakshini, as you know, is a demigoddess in Hindu mythology. Yakshini can either provide a blessing or a curse, and this is what dramatically shapes Meenakshi's life. So here is the cover of the book, and as you can see, it's a beautiful cover designed by the team at Rupa Publications. The book is doing very well, and I hope you get the chance to pick up a copy. So I have been asked some questions, and let me just go through them. The first thing that you're asking me is about how I feel about being the king of horror. So the truth is that I do not believe in all these kinds of labels, and I feel that labels will restrict you. They will make you complacent and overconfident, and then there is this whole comparison that you have to, and a reputation that you have to stand up to. All this baggage on the shoulders. What I really want to do is to just tell my stories. Now, what has worked for me so far is that my stories have a blend of supernatural, horror, and fantasy. So it's not just horror. I give precedence to the story. So probably that is the reason why the readers keep coming back to me. They have come to expect a kind of content which I give, and probably that is why I am a little different from the other horror authors out there. I do not just deal with paranormal stuff and jump scares and what have you in horror, but I actually give a very riveting story. That is what I feel, and that is what works for me. Thank you. The next thing is about the USP of Yakshini. Now, the reason why I would like all of you to pick up this book is because Yakshini is not just your run of the mill horror story. It is not just a shout and scream horror. It has a very poignant social message. It is about a woman, a girl rather, growing up in this patriarchal society, and then all the issues that she faces on account of it. And not just that, how she combats it through the agency of the Yakshini that is inside her. So this book is also a statement of a kind on the male system that dominates our social structure, and what happens to the women who stand against it. So that is what is the USP, the bright shining point why you should pick up a copy of Yakshini today. So about my forthcoming books, I have three releases that are just ready to go. The first one is What the Eyes Don't See. This is a book on Wattpad that will be releasing on August 6th, very short, very close. I have two more releases coming up. One is with Hashit, that is The Spirits Talk to Me. This is a co-authored book with Sarvajit Mohanty, and it is paranormal stories of his real life explorations. Another book is Ghost Whispers, which is coming up with Rupa Publications. Again, it is co-authored with Sarvajit Mohanty, and it is a non-fiction which will be dealing with several paranormal issues like sleep paralysis and so hauntings and so many others. So I'm very excited about all the books that are coming up, and I hope you keep reading me, and thank you Writers Melon for having me today.